Sorry to be hard on you, but what's going on? Huh? What's going on? Oh, just by the way, guys, this is a part 2 of dogs being paranoid. And these oh, she's smiling way at the camera. Hello! Oh. Just by the way, guys, I'm watching these dogs. My aunt wanted to bring these dogs here because she's going to be out for a while. And she needs me to take care of those dogs. But I'm going to take care of them and guard them with all my life. What is that in your ear? What is that in your ear? Oh my God. Hold on. Where's the scissors? Oh, hold on. I got something in my room. There it is. Hold on. Let me put the camera down for a second. See? Just little things stuck in her hair. I don't know what it is, to be honest. I'm just gonna throw it in the trash, though. Anyway, guys, subscribe and see you all later, people. Peace.